All right, everyone. So I figured I would go ahead and show a video on how to fix this because not only during the office hours, but before that, I had even reached out to Go High Level itself to find out if they could explain what was going on. They gave me a fix. I didn't know if I should quite trust it. So then I waited until I went to the office hours and it was the same fix that they were giving people as well. So I figured I'd make a video to show you all how to get through this. So when it comes to getting this particular message, when you're trying to get your phone number squared away, what we can do is go to our agency view. So not the view of when you are in your sub account, but the actual agency view. You can go to settings. When you come to phone integration, you are going to have a message that shows up here, or you'll have the three dots here, which you'll always have the three dots, but you may or may not have the message up here. If you see a message up here, it's going to say something about connecting sub accounts, because I'm trying to do this from memory, connecting sub accounts or your account somehow to your Go High Level agency. And so what you would do is click on that. It's going to bring up something called Lead Connector. And then it's going to have a whole bunch of green checks or green information right beside a long list of things. And then at the bottom, it's going to say, I acknowledge and will connect or accept the connection of my agency to these subdomain accounts. You would click on that, and that's basically the fix. If you don't see that, then what you're going to do is you're going to click on these three dots. And when you click on these three dots, it should bring up the lead connector there. I've already done it, so I'm already connected. It's going to then show this lead connection phone. So if you are getting this page, it's one or the other. You would go ahead and correct that. Then you would refresh the page. Now, what I was told to do was once you refresh the page to go back to your now subdomain. So you go click into your subdomain, you go to AI agents, you go to create your voice agent. This is all the stuff that we should have already done because we've already gone through this process before even getting that pop up. So you go ahead and cancel this because you've already set up your custom agent. And then you go to your agent list. In your agent list, you should see what you had already set up prior to getting that kick out. If for some reason on the other page you did not see in those three dots that you could do the lead connector, then you should be able to do the lead connector here. And that would be the place where you can add it. But what we do is go ahead and if somebody can explain to me also, sorry for the sidebar, but I don't know what upgraded means because I didn't upgrade anything on my account. So if everybody else has upgraded, I guess it's right. But I didn't upgrade anything. I think I'm still on the free trial from everything that I could see. It said I had like 50 days left. So anyway, just sidebar if anybody wants to put in the comment what upgraded means. Okay, so then you go into your agent name. And all of this should be things you've already done, your agent details, your goals, you should have already selected your knowledge base, and then you go to phone availability. And once you are here, you should be able to buy a new number. Now, for me personally, for some strange reason, when I clicked on it the first time, it did not do anything. It didn't populate. It didn't go anywhere. Even the high level person was like, I'm not sure why it's not doing anything. So then I just went and refreshed the page, and then it gave me the ability to be able to click on that to buy a number, and then the ad number is there. So I hope that this helps you.